This is my no churn strawberry ice cream using beautiful Irish strawberries. It's so easy to make and of course it's delicious. Come on then, why not give it a go? Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to pop our strawberries into a blender. You can use a food processor either. I like to blend the strawberries before I add them to ice cream because I find if you add lumps of strawberries, they just turn to ice crystals. Perfect. Just get these open. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to strain the strawberries because I want to remove any of the seeds. Just get a spoon and stir it. And any juice that's underneath, just use the spoon to get it all. And that is my strawberry puree. Okay, so I'm going to set this to one side. In this bowl, I've got double cream, and it's important to use double cream for ice cream because of the high fat content. So into here, I'm going to add in some vanilla extract. The vanilla extract helps to prevent ice crystals. And I'm going to add in a tin of condensed milk. This is sweetened condensed milk. So get that all in there. And now I'm going to whisk this until it's nice and thick. And that's the kind of consistency we're after. So into this I'm going to add in my strawberry puree. I'm not going to add it all, I'm going to just hold a little bit back so I can swirl it on top. And I'm going to fold this in. It smells wonderful, the smell of those strawberries are beautiful. Just keep folding it in till all the strawberry puree is combined. This is ready now, so let's get it into the tin. This tin I'm using is a 2-pound loaf tin. So get all your mixture in there. You don't need to line it with anything, it'll be perfect. Just level the top. And now I'm going to just get my juice, add a little bit of it to the top. And I'm going to swirl it in like this. And that looks amazing, doesn't it? Perfect. So what I like to do is get a little bit of cling wrap and just press it down on top of the ice cream. This helps prevent ice crystals from forming in the ice cream. So just pat it down gently. This is ready and it's going to need at least 6 hours in the freezer. Alright everyone, so this ice cream has been in the fridge for about 7 hours and I'm just going to check it now. So remove the cling wrap and look at that. Absolutely perfect. And this is frozen solid, just the way we want our ice cream to be. So what I do with this now is I pop this back in the fridge for about 30 to 40 minutes. The reason I do this is because you get a much more even melt if you put it in the fridge. I find if you leave it on the worktop, and I've done this, it just melts along the edges there. You don't get that even melt in the center and makes it very hard to scoop out your ice cream. So let's get it back in the fridge now for 30 to 40 minutes and then we'll serve it up. This is ready now, so let's scoop some ice cream. Just a little tip for you, if you're using a spoon or an ice cream scoop, dip it in hot water. It makes it much easier to get a nice ice cream swirl. So let's start here and see how we get on. Look at that. Look how nice that is. A perfect ice cream scoop. I love when it turns out like this. Now getting into a bowl, I'm actually going to pop it into one of these really nice waffle ice cream cones. Yum, delicious. And let's do another one. And that is my strawberry homemade no churn ice cream. I'm going to try it now. Oh wow, that is absolutely gorgeous. The fresh strawberries in that are beautiful. Way nicer than anything you'll buy in your local supermarket. And there you have it, my really simple and easy to make strawberry ripple, no churn ice cream. Absolutely perfect, give it a go. I've got lots more ice cream, no churn recipes on my channel and my Facebook page. Check them out and let me know what you think. Happy baking everyone, and see you all soon. Enjoy!